Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Oster Food Chopper is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, simplifying meal prep and saving you valuable time. Whether you're dicing onions without tears, mincing garlic in seconds, or chopping nuts for your favorite recipes, this compact powerhouse handles it all with impressive efficiency. Its user-friendly design and powerful motor make it an indispensable tool for home cooks of all levels, transforming tedious chopping tasks into a breeze and allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of cooking. Number 5. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, 4-in-1, White. Discover the veggie chopper that everyone is talking about. It's one of the top-rated kitchen gadgets this season, designed to make your life easier. Save significant time on meal prep with this large-capacity chopper. It dices vegetables in just 30 seconds, making your cooking process much faster. Done prepping? Simply toss the parts on the top rack of your dishwasher for a no-scrub cleanup. It's a clever and convenient choice for busy individuals. Featuring heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades, it stays razor-sharp for quick prep. Its compact design fits neatly in drawers or cabinets. This BPA-free essential is built for comfort and precision. It has a soft grip handle and a non-skid base for maximum stability during use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gadget makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It's a top-rated gift for anyone who wants to cook smarter and easier. What we like? This chopper is incredibly fast, dicing in just 30 seconds. If you're looking for a way to significantly cut down your prep time for everyday meals, this is the one. Its large capacity and easy cleanup make it ideal for busy individuals or families who want healthy meals without the hassle. What people say? This chopper is very easy to use and clean. It chops vegetables quickly and evenly. The compact size makes it easy to store. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper, 72850. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper. Its patented stack and press design makes operation incredibly simple. Just press the lid to chop and release to stop, no complicated locking required. This compact chopper is ideal for everyday meal preparation. With a 3-cup capacity, it handles your daily needs perfectly and is small enough for convenient storage. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly dices, minces, and purees a variety of ingredients. The lid's oil dispenser also helps you easily emulsify dressings and sauces. Don't let its size fool you. This food chopper boasts a 350-watt motor, providing ample power to tackle tough ingredients like onions, nuts, and herbs, as well as create hummus and baby food. Cleanup is a breeze. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. What we like? With its simple stack and press operation, this chopper is incredibly user-friendly. If you need a compact appliance for everyday tasks like chopping onions or making dressings, and appreciate a straightforward design, this is a great choice. Its powerful motor handles tough ingredients with ease. What people say? The Oster Food Chopper is a great addition to any kitchen, saving you time and effort when preparing meals. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the powerful motor quickly chops vegetables, nuts, and herbs. The detachable bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. Introducing the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. It's designed to make your food preparation tasks quick and easy. With its efficient 250-watt motor and patented reversible blade, it effortlessly chops herbs, dices vegetables, and grinds hard cheese. Enjoy 2 powerful processing options, chop and grind, with its convenient push-button control panel and auto-reversing blade. Cleanup is a breeze. The work bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, and the motor base easily wipes clean. This compact appliance comes with a 24-ounce work bowl, a versatile stainless steel blade, a spatula, and a recipe book. Rest assured with a limited 18-month warranty. It's also BPA-free for your safety. What we like? This mini food processor offers a patented reversible blade for both chopping and grinding. If you enjoy experimenting with herbs, hard cheeses, or small batches of dips and sauces, its convenient size and dual functionality are perfect. It's designed for precision and ease of use in smaller kitchens. What people say. The Oster Food Chopper is a great addition to any kitchen, making food preparation quick and easy. It has a powerful motor that can chop through vegetables, nuts, and herbs in seconds. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Turelar Immersion Blender Handheld Corded 1100W. Experience significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds. Achieve velvety smooth results with its powerful motor, eliminating any lumpy chunks. Take full control of your recipes with an easy-to-use variable speed trigger. Adjust from low to high speed with just one touch for effortless pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. Its unique blade guard is designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans. Enjoy a cleaner kitchen with less splashing. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic grip offers a non-slip hold for continuous blending. It makes a perfect gift for any food lover. Swap out multiple attachments with a single click for swift cleaning. It's built for long-lasting durability with advanced safety technology. Blend even hot ingredients safely thanks to reinforced, food-grade blades. The included breaker and chopper are also BPA-free for your peace of mind. What we like. This immersion blender set is a true multitasker, featuring a powerful motor and variable speed control. If you want one appliance that can blend soups, make smoothies, chop vegetables, whisk, and froth, this is an excellent option. Its versatility makes it ideal for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tools. What people say. The Oster Food Chopper has a powerful motor that chops vegetables quickly and evenly. The compact design of the Oster Food Chopper makes it easy to store in any kitchen. The Oster Food Chopper is versatile and can be used for chopping nuts, herbs, and other ingredients. Number 1. LINKChef 6-Cup Food Processor. This versatile appliance is your go-to for chopping meat, vegetables, nuts, and even ice. It's perfect for making everything from burgers and salsa to baby food and smoothies. With its 250W motor, it chops, grinds, and purees in seconds. Cut your meal prep time in half with fast and efficient results, perfect for busy weeknights. All parts are made from stainless steel and are BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your family's meals. Enjoy reliable performance with its built-in safety features and durable construction. Achieve your desired texture with intuitive 2-speed control. Use low speed for coarse chopping and high speed for smooth blending. It's simple and beginner-friendly. Its 6-cup capacity is ideal for 1 to 3 people, saving counter space while providing enough volume for daily cooking and meal prep. This scratch and corrosion-resistant chopper is perfect for everyday use. The stainless steel bowl and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. What we like. This food processor boasts a 6-cup capacity and a powerful 250W motor with 2-speed control for precise texture. If you often prepare meals for 1 to 3 people and need a reliable appliance for chopping meat, vegetables, or making baby food, this is a fantastic choice. Its compact size and easy operation save both time and counter space. What people say. This chopper is very easy to use and clean. It chops vegetables quickly and evenly. The compact size makes it easy to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.